My name's Vicky. We're going to spend some time getting warm. Make sure you've got room to travel to the front, walk backwards and to each side. Take it at your own level, take a drink when you need to. Right guys, let's go. Let's reach up. Beautiful. Out and tight and reach. Just tapping out with the toe. Lovely. Give me a little step touch. Side to side, lateral arms. So the aerobics today is going to be nice and simple, not too much brain work, but enough to get that heart rate up. Reach up, and push. Nice big reach. Let's take the arm across now and turn the body. Keep them arms tight, guys. Lovely. Let's reach up now. Both arms. Tap at the top. Swing it side to side. So remember, take this at your own level. Grab that water when you need it. We're going equipment free today, guys. All we need is our body. Give me a hamstring curl. Right, then left. Lovely. Swing the arms forward and back. Give me a small squat. Now, push the butt back. Keep this belly nice and tight. Don't go too deep. We're only in warm up. 4 to go. Weight to heels. Back to your step touch to the right. Give me 2 side steps to the right. 2. Let's take this to a grapevine. If you don't like the grapevine, then just go back to 2 side steps. Now give me that step touch. Back to the grapevine. 2 more. Walk forward for 4 and march. Walk it back and march. Do it again. Forward and march. Take it back and march. Step touch. Hamstring curl, left first. So we should be starting to feel a little bit warmer. Are you warm, team? Are you ready to do this? Squat down again. Let's go. So remember, when we squat, we keep the chest up. We drive them hips back. Just a few more. Let's make sure these legs are warm. Can you give me a step touch to the left this time? Grapevine to the left, then back to the right. Let's have a single curl on the end. Grapevine, curl, and curl. Curling, taking that heel towards the butt. Back to a march. Feet at hip distance. Can you give me a little narrow squat now? So narrow means your heels are the same width as your hips. How do you feel about building a routine? Nothing too tricky? Hopefully guys, you're warm enough now. March it out on the right. So our first move is going to be a cha cha-cha. We're going to come forward, right and left, then we're going to march it back. We're building slowly, are you with me? Cha-cha, forward to me for 4, 3, 2, and just walk back. Lovely, again, let's go. Cha-cha. And walk it back. Cha-cha to me. Now add side lunges, right first. Travel it back and march. So we're going to cha-cha forward, side lunge back, cha-cha to the right, let's go. 4. Side lunge back. Now cha-cha forward, we go left. Side lunge, left and right. Have we got this? Cha-cha. Side lunge. Cha-cha. Side lunge down the left. March on the right. Excellent, that's the first block done. Give it 2 side steps to the right, let's go. 2. March right. Now I'm going to take the right leg, cross open, then I'm going to take a little pause, and I'm going to do that on the left. So we're moving right and left. Right leg first, cross and open. Cross, open, hold. Cross, open, hold. Right and left. Cha-cha where you hold. So we're going to go tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap. 4 to go. Keep that chest up, knees are soft. Step touch. Excellent. 2 side steps. Now let's add that tap, tap. In. Let's go. Tap, tap. Excellent. March on your right leg. Now, can we go from the beginning? Cha-cha to me. 4. Side lunge, travel it back. Cha-cha to the left. Side lunge. 2 side steps. Do it again. Tap, tap. 2 more. March with your right. Did you get there? Let's do it one more time. Then we'll add a little bit more of the choreography in. Watch the surfaces where you're traveling. Righty, cha-cha, 4. Take it back, lunge. Cha-cha, left now. Side lunge. 2 side steps. 1 more time. Tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. 4 then. 2 more. March on your right. Right guys, I think it's time to add on. Step and give me a double curl, then repeat. So step and 2 curl. 2. Now give me a grapevine. 2 more. March on the right. Right, we're going to add a little bit of travel to this. Step and 2 curls. Grapevine. Single curls. Grapevine. March. Now on the double curls, I want you to travel forward. On the single curls, I want you to travel back. That sounds confusing? no stress, you can do it on the spot. Step and double curl. Grapevine. Single curls back. 4 of them. Grapevine again. March. Did you get the travelling? Don't worry if you didn't get there. Travelling forward on the doubles, back on the single curls. Let's have one more go. Step in and double curl. Let's go team. 2. Grapevine for 2. Single curls back. 2 grapevines again. How did that feel? And match. Now let's put it all together. So we've got 3 blocks of choreography. You started with the cha-cha, travelling forward to me. Right team, let's go. Cha-cha. Side lunges back, travelling back. Cha-cha to the left. Side lunge back. 2 side steps to the right. Do it again. Tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. 2 more. Now, step and curl, double. 2. 2 grapevines. Single curls back. 2 grapevines. March. Do we need just one more? Just to make sure it's in there. Then we'll add on again. Then we'll bring a little bit of conditioning to it. Test out these legs, this belly. Cha-cha forward from the beginning. Side lunge. Cha-cha forward, go left. Side lunge, left and right. 2 side steps to the right. Do that again for me. Show me the tap tap. Cross and open, yeah? 2 more. Step and double curl. 2. Grapevine. Single curls. Travel back. Grapevine. Back on your right to match. Lovely. Let's have a little bit more choreography before we drop to that conditioning. So you're going to go right and left, stomps. Right leg to left corner, then left. So stomp. 2 more. Then just march. Do it again. 4. And march. One more time. 4. March. Right guys, this time on the march, we're going to add a little squat. Not too deep. Right and left, stop. Let's go. 4. Take it down. Again, stop. 4. Take it down. March. Right team. Should we take that from the top, the beginning? With the cha-cha forward. 4 blocks of choreography. Hope you're having fun, team. Let's go, cha-cha. Side lunge. Cha-cha, left. 4. Side lunge. 2 side steps to the right. Do it again, guys. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 of them. 2 more. Step, double curl, travel. 2. Grapevine. Take it back. Single curls go back. Grapevine. Here comes them stomp. Right leg first. 4. Take it down. squat. Do it again, stop, 4. Take it down, squat. March. Beautiful. Right, I want to see one more. Everything you've got now, guys. Then we'll bring in a little bit of conditioning. Then we'll have a memory check. Cha-cha to me, 4. Side lunge. Cha-cha. Side lunge. 2 side steps. Keep the knees soft. Show me again. Tap, tap. Keep them abs braced, guys. Double curl. 2. Show me the grapevine. Single curls, go back. Grapevine. Get ready with the stomp. Right and left. 4. Little squat, center. Again. 4. Don't go too deep in that squat. Little squat here. March it out. Let's stay with that squat. Let's work these legs. Right, let's place the heels under the hips. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Contract the abs. Down for a 2 count. Gently bring the arms forward and back. Don't lift them too high. Let's not put pressure into that lower back. Let's just take the concentration to the legs. It's like you're going to sit down on a chair, then you change your mind. Pushing the butt back. Can you give me 2 more? Oh, 1 more. Let's give him a test. 3 pulls down. 1, 2, 3, and then we stand. Now you choose here how low you go. What comes first? Technique, your form. Can you give me 2 more? I think you can. 1 more time. Single down for 2. So slowing it down. Can we slow it again? Down for 4. 4. Don't rush the up now. 4. Down again. Pressure into the quads. Can you feel that? Can you give me 2 more? Remember, if it's feeling too much, you can always take it down and just march. 1 more time. 4. Up. Lovely. Step touch. Now, how's your memory? Can you remember the routine? And can you let me add a little bit more? Let's have a test. Let's go from the beginning. Cha-cha to me for 4. Side lunge, back. Cha-cha to the left, 4. Side lunge. Oh, what comes next? 2 side steps, right. 1 more time. Tap, tap. Forward. Looking good. Double curl, travel to me. Grapevine. Single curls back. Grapevine. March. Are we all right? Lovely. Ready? Let's take it from them stomps. Right and left. Little mini squat. Again. 4. Mini squat coming up. Now march right. Let's add in the next bit. Walk forward for 4. 2 heel digs. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back. Same side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel. And walk. Nice and simple. Now if you want, you can add some energy with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, heel. So you can walk it or you can jog it. Take it back. March. Right guys, let's do exactly the same, but go on your left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back. So remember, you've got the jog, or you can march. You're in charge. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back. Can you march on your right? So I want one to the right, with the heels there and back. Then one to the left, there and back. So we're symmetrical. Stand on your right, 4 forward, 2 heels, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Now left, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. And heels. March right. Did you get your leg change? One more practice. Come forward to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Same heel again. Now go on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. March right. Now can we put that all together from the top? Cha-cha to me. 4. Side lunge. Cha-cha to me, 4. Side lunge. 2 side steps to the right. Hope you're having fun, team, but I hope you're working. Heart rate up. Tap, tap. 4. Double curl, travel to me, 2. Now grapevine. Take it back. Single curls, go back. Show me that grapevine again. No pause this time. Stop. Right and left. 4. Little mini squat. Again. 4. Little mini squat. Walk to me. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you remember this bit? And back. Right leg. Now show me on the left. And back. Left heel first. March right. One more time. I want to make sure it's up there. I want to get this heart rate up. And I want you to enjoy it. Let's get ready, team. From the top. Cha-cha. To the side. Again. To the side lunge. 2 side steps. One more. Tap, tap. 2 more of those. Double curl to me. Travel. Show me that grapevine. Single curls back. Show me that grapevine. Stomp right and left. 4. Little mini squat narrow. Again. 4. Mini squat. Walk to me. 4. Then your heels. Take it back. Heels again. Lead on your left. Heels. Take it back. Back to narrow squat. 2. So I want you to really think about this move. Think. Drive the hip. Then bend the knees. Don't allow just the knees to push forward. Push your hips. Back and down. If it's feeling too much in the arms, let the arms hang, but be careful of this. Yeah, you want to draw them shoulders back and 1, 2, 3, and stand. When you're standing, drive from the heels. Excellent. Lovely. Hold it here. Step wide. Slightly turn your toes. Heels wide with your hips. Squat down for 2 in a wide stance. A bit more of the buttocks now. Driving it back and coming up. Lovely. Pushing the hip back. Excellent. Are you feeling strong? Can you give me singles? So we're going a little bit quicker. So be careful here. How low you drop. Taking it down. 4, 3, 2. Can you take it down and hold? Clasp the hands in front now. Lift the heel. 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 4. Hello legs. 4 to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up and reach. Excellent. Hands down. Bring it in. Let's march. Right guys, how's your memory? Should we have another go at the routine? You'll be fine. Get ready. Cha-cha to me, let's go. 4. Side lunge. Cha-cha. Side lunge. 2 side steps. Do it again. Tap, tap. 2 more. Step and double curl. Travel. Show me the grapevine. Single curls and travel back. Grapevine. Team, stomp. 4. To turn the hips. Little squat here, not too deep, single count. Stop. Little squat. Can you walk or jump to me? 4. Heels. Back. Come on your left and walk. And back. March right. One more? Yes. One more. Everything you've got. Starting with the cha-cha. Big smiles. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. Side lunge. Cha-cha. Side lunge. 2 side steps. One more time. Tap, tap. 2 more. Double curl and steps. Grapevine. Single curls back. Grapevine. Single stomps right and left. 4. Narrow. 4 again. Little narrow here. Whoa, pod jog. Take it back. Come forward on the left. Take it back. And march. Excellent. Right guys. Let's get a little bit more conditioning in. Get these abs nice and tight. Bring your shoulders back, nice and tall. Wide squat but down for 2. Down, and can you bring the leg back in? Down, and back. Out to the side. feels too much, keep going. You can just be on the spot and stay with the 2. So there's always choices. Technique first, let's go again. 2. Lovely. 2. Last time. Give me a narrow stance this time. Squat. Now, can you slow it down for 2? 2. And can you raise up your heels? Let's work the calves. Up. Raise. We are so close to the end. Taking the butt back. 1 more. Back to them squats. 2. And in. How are your legs feeling? Oh, we are so close. Narrow but 3 pulls. 1, 2. And raise to the toes. 1. I'm being mean now. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Can you give me a 7 pull? Shouldn't you? Don't have to come too low. Your choice. Don't forget the raise. 7 again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, march it out. Well done, guys. Looking good. Give me a low step touch. Just breathe. Catch your breath. Let them legs recover. Just give me a gentle flick back with the curl. Easing it up. Lift the knee up, but not too high, guys. Little rotation in the back. Little turn of the torso. Starting to bring it down, tapping lower. Can you kick it forward? Slow. Kick. Use the core. Kick. Kick. When you kick, make sure you lift the knee and then push. Rather than just trying to lift with a straight leg and putting pressure into the lumbar. Ease it down. Tap to the side double time. Tap. Tap behind. Oh, we're in the cool down now. Guys, you did brilliantly. Thank you for your concentration and working with me this morning. March. Time to cool down. So take a march. Reach up. Reach it down. Lovely. Reach it up. Nice big reach. Take it down. Draw your shoulders back. Keep your belly tight. Think about this lovely posture. Even in the stretch. Give me a heel dip right to left. Heel. Now hold the right heel forward. Gently tip the butt back. Stretch out that hamstring. Back of the thigh. Don't be putting pressure on this leg. Look down to the floor so the head's in line with the spine. Feel the stretch along the hamstring. Gently ease yourself up. Come back in with the leg. Change sides. Push the hips back. You don't need to go too low. Stretch in the back of the thigh. Don't hold your breath on these stretches. Come up. Now, make sure the feet are hip distance. Slide the right back. Check the feet parallel. Bend the front knee. Drive the back heel down. Again, just some gentle pressure. Hands literally resting. Back heel drives down. Tipping from the hip. Stretching the calf. Push your heel to the floor. Gently ease yourself up, step back in, change sides. Check the feet are parallel, Check the back heel is down. Bend the knee. Keep drawing them shoulders back. Strong body. Again, ease back out of it. Gently step in. Step wide. Slightly turning out with the toes. Bend the knee. Opposite leg straight. Little bit of an inner thigh stretch. Watch this knee behind the toe. You don't need to pull low. Just some length in the inner thigh. Gently come up. Breathe out and go to the side. So try and connect the breath with the stretch. Don't hold on to the breath. Get the most out of it. Lovely. Gently come up. Gently walk the feet back in. Back into that narrow stance. Now if you want for this next stretch, you can hold on to furniture or wall. Stretching out your quad. Stand nice and tall in the body. Soften the supporting knee. Stretching the front of the thigh. Let's change legs. So remember, this is not about balance. If you want to hold on to that furniture. Remember, if you can't hold the foot, you can use a chair to support or a towel. You just lengthen the front of the thigh. Release on that stretch. Let's come up, let's reach up. Give me a nice big stretch. Can you take your right hand into the base of the back? Take your left hand into your belly. Give me a big smile. Take it back.